Now we will see one program. Write a program that displays a value of y at port 0 and n at port 2 and also generate a square wave of frequency 10 kHz with timer 0 in mode 2 at port pin P1.2 external frequency of 22 megahertz. Okay, so now we need to display. So what is given now? We need to display y at port 0, display n at port 1. Okay, then again we need to generate a square wave of frequency 10 kilohertz at pin P1.2. So with the crystal frequency of 22 megahertz. So now, so what is given, it is given that you have to use timer 0 and mode 2. So all these are given. Now we know that if we want to generate a square wave, we need to know the T mod value. Since it is mode 2, it is 8-bit auto reload, right? So what is the value to be loaded in TH0? Why I am taking TH0? Because it is timer 0, that is why it is TH0. Okay, so since it is an interrupt program, so I had to load the values of interrupt enable also. So all these values we need to calculate. So I know the external frequency of 22 megahertz. Okay, so now I hope in notes interrupt enable is been given. So like we have an interrupt enable, we have an 8 bits, right? So we have all this. Since it is timer 0, so it is timer 0 interrupt. Okay, second bit. So this is enable. If this is 1, all other interrupts will be enabled, rest all will be 0. Then again it is interrupt, timer 0 interrupt is there, right? It is 8 bit, 82H values. Okay, so now IE will be 82H. Okay, IE will be 82H. Then again, what is the TH0 value? TH0 value is 0B6H. You need to calculate, you need to show the calculations for all this. So I had already shown in other videos or in assignments I had given you about this. Okay, how to calculate the initial value if frequency is given. Okay, fine. Then again, since it is timer 0 and mode 2, so we need to know what is the value of T mod is nothing but 0 to H. So we have to load those values. Now there are three tasks here. One, you have to load Y in port 0, N in port 1. Parallelly, you need to generate a square wave of 10 kilohertz of frequency. Okay, so now we'll see timers and interrupts. How this a normal program will be executing when there is an interrupt, so it will stop executing the main program temporarily. Then again it will give service to the other external interrupt. Now here the external interrupt is nothing but external interrupt 0. Okay, external interrupt 0, external interrupt 0. Okay, fine. So now it will give service to that external interrupt 0. Then again after executing that, it will come back to the main program, start executing that. So we'll write a program now. So initially the program will start from 000H. Okay, L jump main program. So long jump main program. So main program is here. Okay, what is the main program? In main program you need to generate, okay, this one. So what is the T mod value? T mod value is 0 to H. TH naught value is 0B6H. Why only TH naught? Since it is mode 2, we need to load only TH naught. Then otherwise it is an auto reload. Okay, then again move interrupt enable 82H. So 82H is EA will be 1. Then again external interrupt 0. Timer 0 interrupt. Okay, 82H. Now I will start the timer. Once I start the timer, Okay, so usually what we were doing, we were just after starting the timer, we were monitoring this tf naught comma target. Keep on monitoring this tf naught target. This is nothing but your polling. By the time if we are seeing this one, so it will be microcontroller will be keep on checking the content of tf naught flag is set or not. So an interrupt is the solution. So we are not doing this one, we are just starting the timer. So automatically, okay, once the overflow flag is set, okay, so there will be an interrupt. So by the time the overflow flag is set, okay, tf naught is set, overflowed, okay, so what it will do, it will move the content of y. Okay, y is nothing but an ASCII value. Since it is in single code, y is an character. Okay, so the ASCII value of y will be moved to p0. ASCII value of 1n will be moved to p2. It will be keep on moving that. So display, it will just display. So what is the question? Question is that write a program that displays a value of y at port 0. Now here I am displaying the value of y in port 0. I am displaying the value of n to port 2. So it will be keep on displaying it until when? Until tf naught is set to 1. When it is set to 1, there is an interrupt, timer 0 interrupt. Until then this will be there. Fine. So once tf naught overflows, okay, once it is set, okay, there is an interrupt. So what type of an interrupt it is? It is a timer 0 interrupt. So what I told, if it is timer 0 interrupt, okay, timer 0 interrupt, it will jump to this service routine 000b location. Okay, so it will jump to this 000b location. So here, so it will just complement. Initially it was either it can be positive sign or negative edge. Okay, it will get complemented. So complement 1.2. So here once tf naught is set to 1, there was an interrupt, it will jump to this 000b. So this is your interrupt service routine. So it will execute this. So in this program it will just do complement p 1.2, return interrupt, it will come back here, sjump back. Okay, sjump back, where is this back? Back is here. Again it will display y p0 n p0. So here once the timer has been started, I am not writing this clear t or not, means stopping the timer. Here there is no stopping the timer. Once it is start the timer, it will be keep on checking this tf naught flag is set. By the time this meanwhile, so I'll be displaying this program. Once this is set as high, it will go back to this interrupt. Okay, it will execute this interrupt service routine, return interrupt, it will come back here. Again it will be keep on displaying it. So start timer, I have not yet stopped the timer. Again the timer will be keep on starting. So it is, since this is an auto reload, again it will start from b6 b7 b8 b9 till ff. Once it rolls over to 00, this will be set. Again interrupt is when occurred, so it will go back to 000b. Again it will complement. So till this time y and n, so it will be keep on executing. So this is the time taken. Okay, once there is an interrupt, it will go back to 000b, complement. Then again return interrupt, come back, sjump back. Again yn parallelly. In port 0 you can see it as y, in port 2 you can see it as n. By that time, so that is nothing but your delay, right? This is nothing but your delay. It will be keep on going this delay. So again sjump back, it will be keep on doing this. Once overflow flag is set, interrupt has been occurred, go back here, complement p 1.2, then in return interrupt, come back here. Again it will be keep on displaying it, complement. So parallelly I am displaying y, I am displaying n. Okay, parallelly I am generating square wave also. So I am just avoiding this. The time taken for this one will be more. Okay, so in this time I can just generate a square wave. Okay, thank you.